Thanks for stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper today. I'm Amy Sonnemann and I am ready to celebrate with the Add Another Candle card kit. This kit includes everything you need to create 8 stunning cards, which you see here. You'll get 2 of each of the papers just in case you make a mistake when you cut, as well as 8 card bases and a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Let's take a look at each of the papers in this collection. As with all of our card kits, you get a full color picture of each of the cards on the front cover. If you turn the cover sheet over, you'll get all of the instructions as well as additional supplies that you might need. You'll get 2 of each of the 3 papers in this collection. This is sheet 1, which has all of your cut-aparts, as well as this pretty candle paper on the back. This is sheet number 2, which includes more of the cut-aparts for your card bases, as well as the polka dot background. Sheet number 3 includes some of the larger pieces for your card bases, and the party hats on the back. You'll also get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, which includes all of the extra elements that you need to decorate your 8 cards. This is the perfect way to build your stash. There's lots of extra parts and pieces to be able to be creative and create your own cards as well. Get a jump on your birthdays for 2023 with the Add Another Candle card kit. Thanks for watching and have a great day.